guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me once again for another CVS deals video. We have some good deals going on and some good digital coupons. Don't forget to scan the products to see what coupons or CRTs that were attached to it. That way will help with your deals. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have is buy 2 get 5 bags, and Pampers, diapers and wipes are included in this deal. And I'm going to share 3 different ways to do this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Pampers swaddlers on sale for 2 for $22. Check your app. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $19 and you get 5 bags, making them just $14 or $7 each. The second option is to pick up 2 Pampers wipes on sale for $6.99 each, and both will total $13.98. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $11.98 and you get 5 bags, making them just $6.98 or $3.49 each. The third option is to pick up 2 swaddlers on sale for 2 for $22 and 2 wipes on sale for $6.99 each. These 4 items will total $35.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon for the diaper and the 2 off 2 digital coupon for the wipes. Both will take off $5 and you pay just $30.98 and get 10 back, making them just $20.98 or $5.25 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 on Honest Company baby products. Pick up 2 baby wipes priced at $6.29 each, and both will total $12.58. Pay that and get $5 back, making them just $7.58 or $3.79 each. Post or Kellogg's cereals are on sale for $1.99 and no extra care box back. Pick up 3 Post cereals for a total of $5.97. I cannot find any coupons for these products, so pay $5.97. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back when you buy 3. That will end up making them just $3.97 or $1.32 each. My next deal is on Crest Toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2, they will total $7.98. Pay the $7.98 and get 4 back, making them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. Select Colgate toothpaste are on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 Colgate Stain Fighter toothpaste at $3.99 each, and they will total $7.98. Check your app. We have a $2 coupon that will drop it down to $5.98 and you get 4 back, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. Everyone received a 10 off 25 oral care CRT, and I have one option with this Crest toothpaste, but before I do that, let me explain it by itself without the CRT. They're on sale for $8.99 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, both will total $17.98. I scanned them on the app and there is no coupon showing up for it. Pay the $17.98 and you get 3 back, making them just $14.98 or $7.49 each. Using the 10 off 25 oral care CRT, pick up 2 Colgate toothpaste on sale for $3.99 each and 2 Crest toothpaste on sale for $8.99 each. These 4 items will total $25.96. Use the $2 off Colgate digital coupon and the 10 off 25 oral care CRT. Both will take off $12 and you pay just $13.96 and get $4 back for the Colgate toothpaste and $3 back for the Crest toothpaste, making them just $6.96 or $1.74 each. Maybelline Cosmetics are on the deal of spend $15 get $5 back. Pick up 1 Maybelline lipstick priced at $7.99 and 1 Fit Me blush priced at $7.79. These 2 will total $15.78. We have a $3 Maybelline digital coupon, and I also have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. That will take off $6 and drop it down to $9.78 and you get 5 back, making them just $4.78 or $2.39 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 5 back on any Cetaphil. Pick up 2 Cetaphil Gentle Foaming Cleanser priced at $11.79 each. Both will total $23.58. If you have the 5-4 savings set, you can use two $3 coupons that will take off $6, and these coupons will expire on 5/31. After the $6 come off, you will pay just $17.58 and get 5 back. Then check Ibotta is giving back $2 on each cleanser. That means you get back $4 from Ibotta, making them just $8.58 or $4.29 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 back on any Ghanaian facial care. Pick up 2 Ghanaian foaming gel cleanser priced at $9.99 each, and they will total $19.98. We have a $3 digital coupon, and I also have a 2 off 10 Ghanaian facial care CRT. Both will take off $5 and drop it down to $14.98, and you get 6 back, making them just $8.98 or $4.49 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 4 back on any Iris Spring or soft soap body wash, and I'm going to share both options. If you're picking up the soft soap, they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and they are priced at $6.59 each. Pick up 2, one will be full price and the second one will be $3.95. Both will total $10.54. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.54 and you get 4 back, making them just $3.54 or $1.77 each. If you prefer Iris Spring, pick up 2. They are priced at $7.49. And with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $4.49. These two will total $11.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $8.98 and you get 4 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 10 back on Coppertone Sun Care. Pick up 2 Kiss sunscreen spray priced at $11.79 each, and both will total $23.58. As you can see, we have 2 hang tags, but if you check your app, we have a $2 coupon. Using 2 $2 coupons will drop it down to $19.58 and you get 10 back, making them just $9.58 or $4.79 each. The next deal I have is on Clairol Color Strong Hair Colors. They are on the deal of buy 1 get 3 back, and it's priced at $16.99. Pick up 1, use a $5 off digital coupon to drop it down to $11.99 and you get 3 back. Submit your receipt to Fetch for 7,000 points, which is $7. That will end up making it just $1.99. Ghanaian Fruise are on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up 2 Ghanaian Fruise leave-in conditioner priced at $4.99 each, and they will total $9.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay just $6.98 and get $3 back, making them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next hair care deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back on OGX, Maui or Neutrogena hair care. Pick up 1 OGX shampoo and 1 conditioner. They are priced at $9.29 and they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. The first one will be full price and the second one will be $4.65. These two will total $13.94. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.94 and you get 4 back, making them just $5.94 or $2.97 each. My next hair care deal might not be the best deal, but if this is what you need, then this is your breakdown. And it's on LOreal Elvive. They're on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2. Pay $10 and get 3 back, making them just $7 or $3.50 each. My next deal is spend 30 get $10 back, and you can pick up the Cottonelle 9 Mega Rose on sale for $9.99, 1 Downy Fabric Refresher on sale for $6.99, and 1 Tide Pod on sale for $13.49. These 3 will total $30.47. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pod and a $1.50 off Downy coupon from Coupon24 app. That will take off $4.50 and you pay just $25.97 and get 10 back, making them just $15.97 or $5.32 each. The second option I have for spend 30 get 10 back is to pick up 2 Pantene Miracle Rescue priced at $15.49 each. Both will total $30.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $24.98 and you get 10 back, making them just $14.98 or $7.49 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time.